Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Sharing the Scoop, and today I have with me is Krutika. So hi Krutika, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I hope you are safe and fine.
Yes, sir.
Amazing. So Krutika, can you please introduce yourself for our viewers?
Hello everyone. This is Krutika Indulkar. I am a student of Chetna's Institute of Management and Research, batch 2018-20. Also, I am into content creation right now. I am into business content related to entrepreneurship and communication, as well as vocabulary, which is supposed to be the important part of communication. That's it from my side, sir.
Amazing. So Krutika, can you tell us a little more about your preparation and everything? I mean, why you thought of doing the MBA? Was there any, was there any particular thought process that made you think that, oh, now I should pursue MBA or something of that sort?
Okay, so as any other student who scored good marks in 10th standard, I decided to do CA, and then I cleared my CPT also. But then I thought that this is not something for me, and I started doing a lot of internships. So one thing why what I observed is I'm very good when it comes to sales. So as an upgradation in my career, what should I do? This is what I thought, and this is how I landed up that MBA can be a thing for me, where I'll get this hike when it comes to my career and sales. Combining these two factors, I decided that I should go for MBA.
Okay. And what are the exams that you prepared for? And how was that preparation? How you used to manage your studies and everything?
So I had given MHCET and also this IBS exam. These two were the exams which I had given.
Okay. And how did you prepare for them?
When it comes to the preparation, I was good with a verbal section. Also, I was good with the logic section. My pain was quants, of course. So what I decided is, if I have 10 topics to do, I'll uh, I'll complete 6 topics very confidently. I'll try to solve as much as possible. So this is what I decided. And also when I say there's these were my verbal and logic happen to be my strong sections. In that also I did every possible sum so that I can easily crack the whatever comes my way in examination. So this is what I that this was the plan which I followed.
Okay.
And of course a lot of mock tests involved. So this was about my preps.
Okay. And how did you apply to Chetna? I mean, was it a cap-round process or you applied at a PGDM call?
I went through a PGDM process, so GD and PI and your CAT score. Your CET score, which they consider.
Okay. And so apart from Chetna's, did you apply to any other colleges as well?
Yes, I did. I applied for SIS, IS, and Chetna. These were 3 colleges.
And how many calls? I mean, you applied, but how many calls out of these you had got?
IS and Chetna.
IS and Chetna.
Yes.
You had these calls basically.
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell us about the GDPI experience of these two colleges, and can you compare it with respect to Chetna?
Sure. What went for IES and Chetna's was exactly similar. I can't find any difference as such. But when it comes to SIS, apart from GD and PI, there was this case study round as well. So where we had to elaborate on the case study given, and same questions regarding that case study were asked in PI also. Apart from your tell me about yourself or why MBA, these questions are common, of course.
Normal
But
HR
then we were,
questions.
yes, normal HR questions. But then we were also asked about the case study.
Okay. So basically, you can say that out of IES Chetna and SIS was in a way slightly different and in a way
Yes,
slightly tougher also.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. And how was your particular experience of Chetna's GDPI? What all did they ask you? Any, if you remember anything out of that?
Yeah. So, in interview, the interview was totally attitude based. If you have work experience, they'll ask you about your work experience, and from work experience, then why MBA. So, if you are a fresher, they'll ask you what made you come into Chetnas or take the decision of doing MBA. Apart from these HR questions, you should be updated about what is going in and around you. A few questions would be asked on that also, how to know how well aware about your. Apart from then, that when it comes to GD, I'll tell you very honestly, if you just Google the topics, current topics of current topics of GD, and cover at least, means I literally went through every possible GD topics which were given on internet. So that helped me a lot. So these GD topics, I think, come from this internet only, until and unless it is an abstract topic.
Correct.
So this questions like blue, green. So these topics are different, of course. But then again, preparing for this topics will make you confident enough to crack your GD as well. So these preparation helps.
Okay, okay. So basically, one should be aware about current affairs, and
Yes.
that gives the major content for the
Yes,
GD.
yes, yes. You should, when you read a lot, you obviously have that content in your mind. So then it won't be a problem.
Correct, correct. Okay, okay. Amazing, amazing. So you said that you had, after your graduation, you don't have any formal work experience as such, but you had
Hmm.
done a lot of internships, and that's how you realized
Yes.
that probably MBA is a thing for you, and you should pursue that. And what was that experience like while doing the internships?
While doing the internships, I focus more on startups because it is a easy opportunity and worth learning. Like it is very easy to get into startups when you are an undergraduate, and you basically learn it from the root. If you join a corporate, they'll just provide you with one, like they might give you calling, or they might, if it is an FMCG, they'll tell you that visit the shops and all. But here we have to do it from the scratch. Like in every process of the business, you are personally involved. And also when it comes to internships in my MBA program, I did total 7 internships.
In
So
two
people,
years, you did 7 internships.
yes, yes. So my friends actually troll me कि अभी भी internship ही करेगी क्या and all that. But yes, I think that when you do internships, you will be able to stand out in the crowd. It really adds a lot, not just communication, but you start thinking differently. Your perspective towards life, towards your career actually changes. So
Amazing.
yes, as much as possible, I'll tell the viewers, do internships. It really helps.
Okay, okay. And right now, where you are placed for your final placements?
I am placed into a very big conglomerate of FMCG. This is what I can tell you because my joining is yet to come.
Okay, okay. No ideas, no problems. Okay, okay. And can you tell us more insights about Chetna, which only a student know, and from outside we would not come to know?
Okay. So if you want to adapt this quality of discipline inside you, Chetnas is the thing. I can definitely tell you कि अगर discipline नहीं रहेगा ना, तो obviously get into Chetnas. It will really teach you the way corporate works. Apart from this, we have very good faculties, industry oriented faculties, I would say, and also seminars and industry experts coming in. So this gives us edge over many institutes.
Okay,
We get to know about corporate life, about the skills which you need to adapt. So these things are very well adapted and groomed in our college.
Okay, okay, amazing, amazing. So Krutika, thank you so much for your time, and hope we can do such more sessions in the future as well. And all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.